Next up, we have this iPhone Slide Pro concept. A lot of people sent this to me, Will. A lot of people sent this on Twitter, the video of this.
Yes.
And I don't think anybody I obviously didn't believe it was real. I think a lot of people wanted it to be real because it's cool.
Yes.
But it's far beyond the current technological capabilities to develop a product like this. For those of you that haven't seen this iPhone Slide Pro concept, it's a guy who apparently makes these concept videos, and often there's a luxury car involved. He's done these keys in the past with touchscreens and stuff. Mm-hmm. And yeah, it's CG. And essentially, he kind of imagines futuristic devices. And in this case, he's imagined a futuristic iPhone, which is a slider, kind of like a T-Mobile Sidekick type of slider, except everything's a screen. You unveil a portion of screen plus cameras. It's very science fiction. And of course, there's no bezels anywhere. It's the screen-to-body ratio is 1,000%.
It folds out both ways, from the left or the right.
He's multitasking.
Yeah.
I mean, this is better than some of the supposedly science fiction smartphones that pop up in Hollywood. Yes. They should just hire this guy because this is giving me strong future vibes. And I'm big on the future vibes, as you know, as I would be. Anyway, so he's multitasking, got Instagram open at the same time. He's browsing YouTube, watching videos. It's kind of a dream come true. Interestingly enough, no folding necessary in his iPhone Slide Pro concept because you're sliding instead. And it's all very exciting, opening apps and so forth. Let's read a little bit here. This is via researchsnipers.com. The new iPhone concept named iPhone Slide Pro is being rumored. Well, it's not. You can't call it a rumor. It shows off this dual screen concept. You can slide it to the left or the right, as Will mentioned. And it unveils a screen underneath it. So as opposed to sliding out to a keyboard, it slides out to a completely digital. Does that even make sense from a physical? Does that even work in your brain? If you slide it that way, that comes out. Okay. And if you slide it the other way, there's more space for some reason. I wonder why he did it like that. See how there's more space on the left slide than the right slide?
The right slide was for the camera functions.
Yeah, I think people would be really concerned if this product really actually existed because that left slide leaves not a lot of overlap for the construction. So now you're wondering about durability. You're having fold gate 2.0 over there.
Yes.
Will, or slide gate.
Yes.
Anyway, it's just a concept. It's very cool to look at. I think you should check it out. Of course, I got a tweet from Ben Geskin, who's always he's leaking stuff, and he said it's a concept, but that comes lower down in the caption. Instead, it says iPhone Slide Pro with 18K rose gold, followed by flame emoji and then heart eye emoji, double hearts in the eyes. These are two of Will's favorite emojis, and when they're combined, they create a dent in the universe, an entry point. What would you call it, Will? A rift? What's a rift?
Yeah, a rift.
They create a rift
in
the universe.
Yeah.
When you combine them. So try it out for yourself. Put the flame emoji in the hard eyes and see what happens. In the case of Ben Geskin, it gave him 5,723 likes on Twitter, hearts. So you try it out for yourself, see how it goes. But you might need the iPhone Slide Pro concept to go with it. It looks cool. It's not real. It's not happening anytime soon. We're going to see folding first. Obviously, we're seeing folding with the Moto product, Razr 2019. It's cool nonetheless.